Wow, what a green day for Nvidia stock, guys, and the entire stock market, which we have to cover in this video. But first, do not forget to get your 30 stocks for a moo. You guys see right here, open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or simply go to stocks.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I appreciate all of you for tuning in as always. And now let's dive into it. So Nvidia stock went up over 2.2% on the day, and we broke over and closed over $140 per share, which, guys, that's huge. That is the level that we've needed to break out of, right? And not only did we break out of it, but we closed above it as well. And earlier in the day at about 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. East Coast time, we were at about, let's see here, what price was that? Almost $142 per share. So we were looking pretty good at, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Then we coasted for the rest of the day into close, right? So today was a great day, not only for Nvidia, but for the entire stock market. You guys know that the S&P crushed it, Dow crushed it, Russell led the way, up almost 2%. So great day across the board. And with this move here, guys, Nvidia hit a new high, a fresh high on this 5-day, 5-minute, and we took out the highs from around a week ago. On the 16th, we hit $140. Got rejected, sold off to the mid-low 130s, and now we broke out of that level, and we closed above it. Can't complain, guys. Can't complain. I'm loving it. So on this 30-minute chart, you guys see that inverse head and shoulders that we talked about before, right? That's still intact. I'm going to butcher it a little bit here, but you guys see that, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Looks like it's trying to play out here. So I'm liking that on this 30-minute chart. And on the 1 hour time frame, let's pull it up. You guys can see, wait a second, we have that inverse head and shoulders we just saw, but we also have a head and shoulders on this 1 hour chart, which might be a bit alarming. I mean, it is a little bit alarming, but I don't think it's going to play out. In fact, I think we're going to break out of here. But as of now, doing a quick update, you guys can see we're still under the neckline of this head and shoulders, which is right at about $142 per share. So I like the way we broke out of 140, 141, but now we have to take out 142. And if we do that, I think we will do that. All-time highs will be coming after that, guys. So the head and shoulders, we did talk about this, I believe, in my most recent Nvidia update. I forget if that was yesterday, before, or the day before that, whatever. But that is still intact as of now, but my eyes are peeled, like I said, at $142 per share to see where we go from that point. If it breaks out of there, a lot more upside could ensue, right? So I like Nvidia here, guys, on the way it's playing out. I'm liking the way it's setting up here. And on the 4 hour chart, I mean, you guys know I've said this a million times. We still have an ascending triangle. You guys see that. And it's starting to play out slowly, but not fully yet until we start pushing, I would say, mid-140s. That's where it would really start to play out here on Nvidia, guys. So my alert's set at 142. I'm going to do another one. Why not at $145 per share? Let me do that now. And by the way, guys, hit the like button. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Let's try and get at least 150 likes on this video. And we're about 1,500 subscribers away from 50,000 subs. Make sure to subscribe as well. I think 50% of you or 60% of you, whatever it is, according to my analytics, watch the content, but you're not subscribing. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe. Very important so you guys don't miss these updates. You got to catch these updates. So Nvidia looking like it's locked and loaded, ready to go, but we're not fully breaking out yet. So watch it, and let me run through now some other AI stocks, if you will, whatever you want to call them, right, guys, as we had a great day overall. So ARM Holdings, guys, watch it. It's starting to break out. We've covered the wedge here a couple of times on the channel, which if I draw it out like this, you guys can see now we're breaking out of this wedge, right? You guys see we're making higher lows, and we were making lower highs up until now. We're starting to take the highs out from earlier in January and from the middle, early days of December. So ARM Holdings, I'm loving the way it's looking here, guys. I think this is the breakout spot. It looks like it's really starting to move, and we can see earnings are coming up, I think, early February, right? Yeah, the 5th of February, we're getting ARM Holdings earnings, and we're peaking out of the highs from the last couple of weeks. Like I said, this could be gearing up for something like this. Obviously, it's not going to go up in a straight arrow. I mean, it could, but that's not super realistic. But overall, it could break out, right? So ARM Holdings, I like the way it's looking here, guys. We had TSM report earnings a couple days ago. Let's see where we're at now. Okay, I'm glad I brought this up. So you guys can see it was at 222 before earnings, sold down to about 200, popped right back to 222 after earnings, and now what is this? We have a head and, or not a head and shoulders. I'm so used to saying that. This is a cup and handle. We have a clear cup and handle on TSM. Do you guys see it? We have the cup right here, handle right here. We consolidated at about 213. Now we're popping, making that handle. Guys, if 222 breaks on TSM, this could be going a lot higher. So I'm going to set my alert at 222. Let's see if this cup and handle plays out. I'm very curious. So that's TSM. So a lot of these are shaping up nicely. ARM Holdings, TSM, obviously Nvidia. The one that's not shaping up nicely, but I guess it had a green day today, but it's trying to bounce back overall. It's AMD, which I'm a shareholder. It had a decent 0.75% green day today, but obviously, guys, that's not much. I mean, we need more than that. Still on a downtrend. Hopefully, earnings give us more clarity on what direction AMD is heading. Earnings are coming out on, let's see, what day is it, the 3rd or 4th? 4th of February after the bell. And for me, guys, like I said, I own AMD, but I'm probably not going to buy more until we get the earnings. I want to see more clarity, and I want to see, or get more clarity, and I want to see what the stock does after earnings, how it reacts, right? But yeah, decent green day for AMD. What other stocks are in the space? Now that I'm thinking about it off the top of my head. Yeah, I mean, I can't think of any other ones. Oh, wait, SoundHound AI. Maybe I'll do an update on that one tomorrow. This one had a 21% green day, guys. I might have to do an update tomorrow. Looks like we are starting to bounce again on SoundHound. SOUN's the ticker. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, with that being said, I'm going to wrap it up. Smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, my second channel as well, link down below. Subscribe to the email list. It's free. You might as well do that and get your stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100 using that link down below. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. Unbelievable. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link right down below, or simply go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.